Hello, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn 5 new ways to play C chords. So we usually learn this way and then that's it. So today in this video we're going to learn 5 new ways. Alright, so let's get started. Go ahead and play the C that you've learned already. Throughout this video I'll be using fret numbers just in case there are some people who like that method better. So I'll say 0, 0, 0, 3. Okay? Now slide to the 7th fret, 0, 0, 0, 7. That is also a C chord. Cool, right? Now slide to the 10th fret. That is also a C chord. And now slide to the 15th fret. Okay, so those were all C chords, pretty simple ones. I really like the one on the 7th position. I feel like it gives it a really open sound and it sounds a little bit like a mandolin. So just to review, we have 3, 7, 10, and 15. Okay, so this new way that we're going to learn is a little bit more advanced, but don't be shy. Try it anyway. Try it with me. Trust me through this process. Okay, so the next position is 5, 4, 3, 3. This would be considered a bar chord, bar meaning that we're pressing down 2 strings with 1 finger. So if you haven't mastered bar chords yet, I do have a series called Ukulele Yoga. I'll link it here. But if you just want to try it now, go ahead and position the ring finger first on fret 5 and pick it to make sure it rings. Then position the middle on 4 and make sure that rings. Double check your ring finger too. So far so good. And then go ahead and add the index finger on fret 3. Check everything. And now we're going to lay down that index finger and wiggle it so that it's holding down both chords. Please don't over grip, okay? Don't over grip. Drop the shoulders. Relax. Breathe. And now pick. Wiggle the finger if you need to play a little bit sideways. That works too. And this is also a C chord. 5, 4, 3, 3. Relax the hand. The reason I like this chord shape for C is that I can mute the ukulele and then strum with this, and it's really easy. It really works for like a reggae beat, something like. So let's review all of the ones that we learned so far. Give me the one on 0, 0, 0, 3. Go to 0, 0, 0, 7. Go to 10. 5, 4, 3, 3. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, relax the hand, breathe. In today's video, I've been playing the 25D ukulele from Enya. This is in the soprano size. This one has very low, comfortable action. So with action, you have to find this like sweet spot. You don't want it to be so low that it rattles, but you don't want it to be so high that it hurts. So I really like Enya ukuleles because the action is consistently really comfortable. Any of you who have Enya ukuleles, let me know how you feel in the comments below. This makes it just really easy to play because I was someone who struggled a lot with the bar chords, and it was that my ukulele had very high action. And it was a combination of the bridge and the nut lifting the strings way too high, and I was working way too hard. So if you would like a link to this ukulele, I will drop it down below. And of course, I recommend that you get your ukulele seen by somebody who repairs instruments, fixes instruments, and ask them about your setup or your action, and they can tell you about that as well. Okay, so in the comments below, Let me know which chord you would like me to break down like I did today. And if you see an answer of the chord that you already want to do, go ahead and like somebody else's comment, and top comment will be the one that I do next. Also, if you would like to join our private Facebook community and share pictures of your ukulele, questions, progress videos, anything like that, find us on Facebook. Our Facebook group name is Ukelandia, like Ukeland. Yeah, Ukelandia. So yeah, I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara!